Hi guys, TCS25 here. Welcome to a video today, and I'm at Milton, Keynes Central on the West Coast Main Line. And today we're seeing services by Virgin Trains, London Midland, Southern, and hopefully some freight as well. I've been here for about 15 minutes. I had a problem with my camera, and I had to find out. I didn't zoom in, and I found out it was some setting, and I've sorted out. The battery life is quite low, so if the quality changes because I'm using my phone later, but I'm going to try my best not. I'm here for about 2 hours, maybe 3. We'll have to see. I've just, about 15 minutes ago, I got off 39039 with service bound for London, Euston for Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah. Next train to leave platform 1 or 2A is London Midland service bound for London, Euston. That livery on, and here comes 68011, 68009, and also coming through is a Pendolino. No, it's a Voyager. I'll get that in a minute. Here comes Pendolino to London Euston, 39114. I think that's the one I'm getting later back to Stoke. I believe, could be wrong, I have to double check that. The next train to arrive in is the 1213 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central via Birmingham New Street. Also coming into London Midland. And it's 39155. Also going for a class 66, I think, for the distance.
Place today, there are no
class 66
operating from this station or
bank on the tone there, the driver.
Passengers travelling to
I didn't actually see that, I wasn't looking at it.
You are advised
that was
to
annoying.
come via London Euston and the...
Okay, here comes the 1213 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central, 39155. And also here comes a London Midland, which is 376. She's doing a service bound for London Euston. I think it's the crew service. Next train to go through platform 4 is a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to London Euston. I think I might struggle to get this number. It's actually going quite slow. For all I know, it's an 11 car. Thank you for the tone from the driver there. 39124. Very shiny.
Train has 4 carriages.
Next train to arrive in is a London Midland service bound for
services to Leicester.
Which is the
Change at Stafford for services to
1520 service.
Liverpool Lime Street.
Could be a bit earlier than that, I don't really know. And it is 35108. Here comes the London Midland service bound for London Euston, 35254 I think that was. And the other one is 35370. That's the service coming from, I don't really know, I think it starts here. I'm not quite sure. All I know is going to use. Next train to arrive on platform 5 is the London Midland service bound for, I actually don't know where, I should say at the front. And it is 3:50-1:20, and it's off to Birmingham New Street. Not many people on it. And the way it is 3:51-12. Next train to arrive in at platform 2 is a London Midland service, which is at 3:51:03. It's terminating here at Milton Keynes. Next train to go through platform 6 is a 9-car Pendolino. 390-008. That's the service to I don't know where, but here comes another Pendolino to London Euston. And that's 390-153. Next train to go through platform 6 of the Virgin train service bound for Manchester Piccadilly.
Does not stop here. Stand behind the
Thanks for the tone there. Amazing 4-tone. I lost track of that from 390-135. Here's the 1407 Virgin train service to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. T112. Next train to leave platform 6 is the 1313 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central, Edinburgh Waverley. And it's 22105 at the front. And the way I will say in a minute. Also, here comes the Pendolino going through. Then the service bound for London Euston. Don't know where it's come from, but Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, anywhere. I have 22106 at the rear. I say if the quality changes in this video, it's because I've changed to my phone, so it's going to have battery fairly soon. But saying that, this camera has got quite a good battery, so might be quite a while yet. Next train to go through platform 4 is a Virgin train Pendolino to London Euston. Don't know where it's come from. 39154. The Ulston sign at the front. Here comes the London Midland 350 to London Euston, 35262. This will be the service from Birmingham New Street. And also there's another 350 bound for Crewe, platform 6, which is quite unusual to go on platform 6. And also coming in is another London Midland as well. Next train to leave platform 6 is a service bound for Crewe. I think it's the 1321, slightly delayed. And it's 350-111. I've swapped end the stations, and to be honest, I prefer this way. You can see from miles away. Not miles away, but you can see. That's about a mile down there, I bet you. Next train to go through platform. That was on platform 4's 390.049 with service to London Euston, and also going through class 66. I can see white in the distance. I don't know if you can see it.
Stand well back.
Maybe we can just see it there.
The next train at platform 4 does not stop here. Stand behind the yellow line.
This is 66601 for Hope Valley on the nameplate. Going very slow. Also, that's the service bound for Northampton. I think it meant to be going Birmingham Newton, terminating. This one's at a red light, and this freight train should be on its way fairly soon. Here comes a London Midland service bound for Birmingham New Street via Northampton, 35109. Apparently this train's got a fault with it. I don't think it has. There's also Pendolino coming in right in the distance. So here is the class 56 bound for, I don't know where, but it's carrying these things. Well, here it comes, it's going. Or it's already came. But yeah. Also coming through is a Pendolino, which I believe stopped up there for some reason. Oh, that's a nice new one there. That sounds horrible. Man, it will sound like it. Oh, 390.039, which is the Pendolino I caught on the way, and here comes 391.15. Go to London Euston. That one over there will came past, I think,
platform edge. The next train at platform
Manchester
3
service, I
does not
believe.
stop here.
Next train to go through platform 6 is the, thanks for the tone there, is the 1331 Virgin train service to Birmingham New Street, 390.045. Oh, spark there from the pantograph. Here comes a Freightliner Class 90. I think it would probably have come from Felixstowe, but I don't know where it's going. And it's Class 90.043. Sound there. That's 90.043. It was the 1341 London Midland service to London Euston. Good tone from the driver there. Very good tone actually. 350.369. Also there's a Pendolino coming through as well. Next train to arrive in platform 4 is the 1347 Milton train service to London Euston, Manchester Piccadilly. Here comes 391.14 with a service bound for I don't know where, Oh, this is 390016. Next train to leave platform 4 is a London Midland service. Platform 3, London Midland service to Northampton, and it's 350-377. Another tone there. Also leaving is 390016, a service bound from London Euston from Manchester to Piccadilly. Next train to leave platform 6 is a Virgin Trains Voyager, Super Voyager to Chester. It's 221110. Next train to arrive in platform 4 is Virgin Trains Penlino bound for London Euston, and this is weird. Oh no, it was 039 I was on. I thought it was 009. It's come back. No, this has come from I don't know where. It can't have come from Glasgow. I don't know where this has come from. Might have come from somewhere out of Birmingham or something. I think it has actually come. No, it can't. I don't know. Okay, next train to leave platform 4 is the 1400 Virgin Train service to London Euston, and also arrived in is the 12-minute delay 1350 to Manchester Piccadilly via Stoke-on-Trent, and there's 3909, 39009, and it's 39124, one of my favourite Pendolinos. What's the name plate? City of something over. It is. Oh no, it's not. Virgin Venture. Virgin Venture. I do love that sound of Pendolinos. Sound beautiful.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 14.
Here is a Virgin Voyager bound for London Euston, and it is 22108 Virgin Super Voyager. And a Pendolino should just appear behind there. Now, just seeing it, it's going a bit slow, not that far behind from the other version. And here it is, 390013. Where's it going? This is the Glasgow service, I believe. The late running Glasgow service.
This train has 4 carriages.
Also arrived in is 35126, service bound for Birmingham New Street. And also coming in is another London Midland. And this is a service bound for London Euston. And it is 35109. Coach is a bit dirty. Here is 35126 for London Midland service bound for Birmingham New Street. And there goes 22108 to London Euston. Next train to go through is a Virgin Trains Pendolino service bound for Manchester Piccadilly. 39153. Good ankle safety driver there. Not for me, but no, I don't know. What we haven't seen in it today is any liveried ones like the Business is Great or the Independence Day. I did see the Independence Day one came past. Or the Ulster livery. We might see them later. Next train to go through platform 4 is a Virgin Trains Pendolino bound for London Euston. Don't know where it's come from. And it's 391. 39137 to Birmingham, to London Euston. Might be from Birmingham New Street. Next train to go through platform 6 is a Virgin Trains Pendolino bound for it could be the Manchester Piccadilly. It could be the Manchester Piccadilly, I could be wrong. Well, I said earlier, but I think that's the Manchester Piccadilly. I didn't see the number. I think it was 390-010, but I could be wrong. Next train today, platform 6 is the 1416 Virgin Trains Super Voyager to Glasgow Central. And it's 221107 at the front. I think it's two together. Thanks for the tone there. Probably not for me, but lovely. And the rear is 221114. Okay guys, my camera's about to run out of battery, so quality is going to change probably to my phone. Next train to go through platform 3 is a Freightliner service, freight train. 66501. 501, and that was going past some speed, thanks to the turn from driver there. Also here comes a London Midland service bound for London Euston. And it is 35248. This is the service coming from Birmingham New Street, or Crewe, could be Crewe, not quite sure. Next train to arrive in is to go leave is a 1420 London Midland service to Crewe, 350-376 I think. Yep. And my camera is still going. Next train to go through platform 3 is another freight train. 66729. And GBRF delivery, I believe that was. Oh, Virgin Voyager there, it didn't see the number. Okay, I've just changed to my phone. The next keep making a load of mistakes today. Next train to go for platform 6. It's Virgin Trains Pendolino to I don't know where. I actually don't know. Thanks for turning from the driver there. $39141. So my fingers are in the way then. Next train to go through platform 6 is the 1432 Virgin train service to Birmingham New Street. $39002 Stephen Sutton. Next train to arrive in platform 2 or 1 is London Midland service bound for here, I believe. I think it's terminated here. It's running slightly late. And at the front is 350-121. It was coming in platform 2, I think. And at the rear is 35129. Well, this camera on this phone isn't that bad actually. I'm not very happy because I've just dropped it and it smashed, and it wasn't my fault. Someone nudged into me when I was going up the steps down there. He was running for the train and he just nudged into me and it landed on the edge of the step and smashed. I'm not very happy. Luckily it isn't an iPhone, but anyway, that is a bit annoying. Anyway guys, that's it for the video today at Milton Keynes. Yeah, it's been a good station. We've seen quite a few freight, a lot of Panolinos and 350 in the Midlands. No southern trains are running today because of engineering works, so I didn't see any southern. Well, I'm quite disappointed about it. I kind of wanted to see some southern. But anyway, my next station should be Crewe on Monday, because I'm not at school on Monday because it's an insect day, which is pretty decent. And there's also a train coming through, through platform 4. I don't know where it's going, but yeah, Crewe should be a good station. Might do a journey video. I'm thinking about it, maybe from Birmingham to Crewe. It depends if I go via Birmingham or not. I might just go straight to Crewe from Derby, but we'll have to see. But here comes a Panolino. Thanks for the tone for the driver there, and it's 3 knots. Oh, word, that was loud. It was 39157 to London Euston. Yeah, anyway guys, that's it, and I will see you. Oh yeah, did you enjoy the video? Please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.